What's up everyone and welcome back to Solution Junkie. In today's video, I'll guide you through changing the country associated with your YouTube channel on your mobile device. To begin, open any browser on your mobile device and navigate to studio.youtube.com. Once there, log in if prompted, and select Continue to Studio to access the web version. Next, zoom in to the bottom left corner and select the gear icon to access settings. Then, in the left sidebar, choose Channel, followed by Country or Residence. Here, you can select the country you want to be displayed on your YouTube channel. After making your selection, don't forget to hit Save before closing the settings. Unfortunately, there's no direct method with the YouTube or YouTube Studio app, but this method is straightforward and effective. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.